Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. I have some really exciting upcycles or mends. I'm gonna walk you through and tell you each one that we're gonna do before we even do it, which is something new. For starters, I have 2 pairs of skinny jeans that are a straight leg, and I just want to make them really exaggerated bell bottoms. I'm gonna be using some upcycled materials. So first of all, this is a vintage tablecloth that I turned into a runner, but I no longer need it because I got a really nice tablecloth on Poshmark. That covers the entire table. So I'm going to re-upcycle this upcycle, and I'm going to use it on the lighter pair of jeans. And then I also have this, which is like a tulle material. And this came off of something that I purchased on Poshmark. It was like a dress that had like a cape, and I cut the cape off a while ago. And I'm going to use this for the darker ripped pair of jeans. So that's upcycle, I guess, 1 and 2. This one is just a mend. These are vintage Ralph Lauren shorts that I got on Poshmark, and they did come like this, just kind of tattered. And so I'm just gonna sew that together, but I wanna make sure that it fits when it's sewed together, because it fits now, but is it because I have that little bit of extra room there? I don't know. We'll see, but I just kind of wanna stitch those together. And then lastly is I'm going to make a poncho out of this extra material. So this was another thing that came off of an upcycle from Poshmark. It was what I wore for my Ahsoka Tano costume, and it was like a long cape that started here. I know I got a lot of stuff with capes, but it was a long cape that started from like the back down, and I tucked it into my boots, and it gave me like Ahsoka Tano like MC Hammer pants. But I know I'm not going to wear that ever again. So I had removed this, and when I removed it, I used that for the cat suit. I used it for the Electra costume. So I do get use out of that jumpsuit now, but I have this extra material. So I'm going to just make this into a poncho. And my idea for it is I have this ribbon that I also got on Poshmark, and this is what I'm going to basically line the whole outside with. So I'm going to kind of use it as a bias tape, which I would use bias tape, but I don't have it in black. So I'm going to use that to try to hold the whole thing together. We'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, I do just want to have a word from our sponsor. Hey guys, it's me, Erica with a K. I'm the sponsor for today's video. I'm always the sponsor for my own videos because I don't take sponsorships in hopes that I can give you guys some real authentic video and not feel like I'm pushing you guys to buy anything or sell. I just want my content to always just be authentic and true to who I am. So I wanted to take this moment to say, if you guys can like and subscribe to my channel, that helps me out tremendously. I can continue providing free educational or fun content like I'm doing here, thanks to viewers like you. So thank you so much for being here and liking and subscribing and supporting my channel and my efforts. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, we're back. So I wanted to just kind of show you what we're working with here. So I have 2 pieces that look exactly like this, and I want the V part to go in the front, and I'm going to cut a hole in the head area, and this is going to be a poncho. And then, like I said, the ribbon is going to, I hope, kind of serve as like a bias tape, and we're just gonna sew that on all the way around. As for the pants, I already put these on and I measured them already, so I have a mark at where it's gonna go. So this part is going to get cut. So I sewed it together and it still fits. I think it looks much better. And then I just ironed down the legs. They're not perfect, so that I don't have to sew them. And I feel like it's a good look.